Here let us see how you link PR document type to PO document type. Suppose PR document type, if you are creating for import purpose, import procurement, if you create a PR for the document type ZMP2 for import, we should use, for example, some document type only. For example, I should use ZMP2 only. Means if I create a PR in ZMP2, system should allow to create a PO for ZMP2 PO document type. Okay, or particular document type, either maybe ZMP2 or ZMP3, whatever it is. So if you create a PO for, if we create a PO with reference to the PR created with ZMP2, system should not allow for other document type. Okay, say for example, you should not allow for NB document type. This combination should not allow. This combination should allow. Okay, so this is the business requirement. If I create a PR for ZMP2, I should create a PO only with document type, some document type. Here example I'm taking ZMP3. Okay, only. If I create a PR with ZMP2, I should not allow to create a PO with the document type NB. System should trigger error in this case. In this case, system should trigger error. Error while PO create. Okay. In this case, no error. How do you map this scenario? So first of all, I'll create a document type of the PR. So SPRO materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, document type. So here I'll create a document type of purchase requisition by copying standard document type PNB, and I'll create ZMP2 of all. So this is for import PR. Okay. So Then I will create a document type for Evo JSON this order. Define document type. Copy from standard ZM ZMP. Okay. So this is import P. Okay. Now, what is the business requirement? Business requirement, if you create a PR ZMP2, we should allow only for ZMP3. Okay, for this, what we have to do, this is the PO, link purchase requisition. Okay, select all. Here, we should allow only for ZMP2. Remaining link, this is the purchase requisition document type. This is the purchase order document types. ZMP3, this is the purchase requisition. So you have to keep this one and remaining you have to delete. Okay. Then you left with ZMP2 purchase requisition, have the link to ZMP3. Okay. Okay. Since you are copied from NB, so if you go to NB document type also, here you have to that ZMP2, that is PR document type, you have to delete this one. Because this ZMP2 only you should link to ZMP3 PO document type. Okay. See. Now you have what you have done is you have linked PR document type ZMP2 to PO document type ZMP3. Now again in the document type purchase requisition, you have to link a PO document. So ZMP2 link, this is PO document type. Okay, here select all, only you keep ZMP3. Okay, since you deleted, it will not show. That means ZMP3 import PO ZMP3 only you have to keep. ZMP. Okay. So we have to keep only this one. Remaining, we have to delete. Now ZMP2 purchase requisition is linked to ZMP3 in PO document. Okay, save it. Since you're copied from NB document type, you have to delete here also. So here also is deleted. Okay. Now create a first PR ME51N. I'll create PR for ME51N with the document type ZMP2 and input material. Save. Create PO. With the reference to PR. If I use NB document type, then system will trigger this message. Okay, in this combination, you should not create a PO. You should use the document type ZMP31. Okay, this is mainly for the reporting purpose and reporting should be smooth so that the document type which you want to create in PR and the document type which you are creating in PO, that if you want to link that without and system to trigger error if you mismatch in the combination, then you should follow these steps through standard configuration. The system will not allow to create a PO with the NB document type. Okay, this is the figure case. You should not allow. System is not allowing. So you can see here, system will trigger error if you use NB document type and PR which is created with ZMP2 document type. So it will trigger this message. Okay. Suppose if you are using ZMP3 and check, system will not trigger any message. You are able to create a PO. That means what according to our business requirement, this is the success case and this should be in this case, in this combination system should trigger error. Okay, so this is how we can link the PR document type and PO document type in which if business requirement is if it is like this, then with the standard configuration only we can make the we can map this scenario. Okay, so this is what I like to share with you. Thank you.